Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how to password protect a folder in Windows 10. If you have got files that you don't want others to see, then locking them up with a password can be the simplest way to get peace of mind. Windows has built-in support for basic password protection, letting you keep your files safe from prying eyes. But before we get started, we should offer a warning. While this method is simple and effective, it's not intended for large-scale or mission-critical use. It goes without saying you should invest in purpose-built encryption software if you are storing really sensitive information on your device. So in order to get started, go to the particular folder you want to protect and right-click on it. From the available options, go to Properties. In here you can see the Advanced option available. Go and tap on it. Now on this Advanced Attribute page, go and tap on the Encrypt Contents to secure data. Now tap on OK to go back to the Properties window, and tap on Apply for Windows to start encrypting your files. When the process is complete, you will be prompted to back up your file encryption key. Now click on the notification. Now click on Next. Next again. Now create a strong password for your folder. Now with the backup done, your files are now secured. They are encrypted with a key that's tied down to your Windows user account. If anyone else tries to access the file, whether from another user account or by physically removing your hard drive, the contents will appear to be meaningless garbled text. And you can reverse the encryption at any time by heading back to the Properties window and opening the Advanced Attribute page again. Then just untick the Encrypt Content to secure data and tap on OK. Once you are back to your folder's Properties window, go and tap on Apply. If you need stronger protections, you might want to consider investing in third-party software that's specially designed for this purpose. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.